Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're covering the Conditional Hide Macro. It hides a section for specific users or groups, while keeping it visible for everyone else. Perfect when most people should see the page, but a specific audience should not. Here's the problem. One Confluence page often needs to work for multiple audiences. For example, hide internal instructions from external collaborators, hide admin notes from non-admin users, or hide team-only steps from other departments. So instead of maintaining separate versions of the same page, we'll hide sections automatically using viewer-based rules. Conditional hide is built on 3 settings: match using any, or all, plus users and groups. If the viewer matches the rules, the content is hidden. If they don't match, the content stays visible. Step 1. Insert the macro. Open your page and click Edit. Insert the Conditional Hide macro where you want the section to be hidden. Step 2. Configure rules. First, choose Match Using. Any means hide if any one rule matches. All means hide only if every rule matches. Now pick the users and/or groups that should not see this content. Once that's set, we save and test it in view mode. Content to the rich text editor that you want to hide, and publish or update the page. Now matching users won't see the section at all. Everyone else sees it normally, so you keep one clean page and the content adapts automatically. That's it for the Conditional Hide macro. Use it to reduce clutter and hide role-specific content without duplicating pages. See you in the next video.